Hello and welcome to Gaslands TV. Today we got an exciting race between the Kraken, driven by Jane, versus Purple Pain, driven by the artist. But first, let's take a look at the track. They'll start off here in the suicide, super dangerous slope, giving them maximum speed into a straightaway and into the first bend here around Gaslands TV camera. Through gate number 1 here, every driver who passes a gate will get a gate point. There are 4 gates including the finish line. Then they'll come down here around bend number 2 around the Gaslands TV silos. We have a few fans here, spectators watching the race. They will come up here to gate number 2, which is our construction site. This is where a helicopter crashed last year. We didn't have time to fix it, so they're gonna have to drive through this and into a long straightaway into bend number 3 here around the BFG bus and around our Ember Prime fire monster truck. They'll go through gate number 3 down this really steep slope here, giving them another speed boost around the canyon here. And if they're lucky enough to pass through all of that, they'll go down this slope here into a 2-lane road going through the finish line. But this time we've added jumps here at the end, which are gonna be spectacular to watch. So stay tuned. We got our camera crew down here waiting to capture all this exciting finish. We've got drills here at the end. And if cars are lucky enough to take that jump into the pipe here, the pipe dream, they will win a ticket to Mars to get off this crappy rock that we are on right now. Or they could sell the ticket or give it to a family member or something. Now let me take the truck down here. I'm gonna go down into my bunker where I'm gonna be protected. And we'll be your announcer for the day. But first, let's take a look at the drivers. We got Jane the Nautilus from Old Britannia. She's driving the Kraken. She likes booty, rum, and the smell of gunfire. She dislikes sand in her trunks and running out of rum. Sponsored by House Steiner Customs. Next we got Prince McQueen the artist from USA. He's driving the Purple Pain. He likes animal rights and he dislikes loose-fitting clothes. He's sponsored by Johnny Q Craft. Go check them out on Etsy. Alright, they're at the bottom here of the suicide, doing some tests, doing some dyno runs, going up the elevator into the starting position, and we are ready for our races. Here we go. Jane is in front right off the bat. She is quick, she is fast, and she didn't make it though. She was too heavy and stopped right in front of the finish line. That really sucks. And we got Purple Pain here. Getting shot at by our BFG, but they're okay for another run. Let's do race number 2 here, and we got Purple Pain in the front. Jane coming in fast. She overtakes in the inside, and oh my god, I don't know, she destroys our finish line. Oh no, and our Gaslands TV sign has been destroyed. We're gonna have to fix that. But check out this pass from the inside. Amazing. She had a really bad start, but picked it up, came in the front and blocked Purple Pain from passing. Speaking of Purple Pain, there he is, and Ember Prime is moving in to cause some fire damage. He got the fuel line or something. There's a lot of fire coming out of there, but they're okay. And they're gonna do race number 3 here. Purple Pain in the lead. What an acceleration he has, but Jane is coming in fast with her top speed, and Purple Pain is trying his hardest to stop her, which he did, and he got a win for that one. Double explosion on this one, but they're still kicking, so they're gonna do another race here. Purple Pain's he knows he's gotta get an amazing launch because Jane is faster, and she wins a ticket to Mars. Jane deserves that. She's been doing really well today. I gotta give it to Purple Rain. He's been trying to stop her, and he's doing a pretty decent job. But he knows he's got to get the advantage at the start to go in front and stop her from passing. And he does that again, but no, Jane has helped him. Are they over the construction site? They are over, but they are really too slow. And Purple Pain's out, and Jane as well. They are both out for this race. Ember started up his drill, and the Sheriff is firing at Purple Pain. They are calling it, and they want to go to the time trials. Let's see who's faster on the track when they are alone. We got Jane waiting here at the bottom, and we got Purple Pain, who is going to go first in the time trials. Let's see if he could beat the time. And he's off. It is a really slow start down the construction site. It is not going too well, but at least he finished, giving him 4 gate points and a time of 9.4. That's really slow. He's gonna try again here. He's gonna have to go a bit faster, and oh no, he lost control at the construction site. He's doing a 3rd run here. Hopefully he's gonna be able to get a faster time here. Ooh, he's slowing down. He's hitting the sidewalls back and forth. He's skidding all over the place, but he manages to finish with a time of 8.21, and he's calling it. I think maybe his clothes are too tight and they're stopping his blood circulation. It's time to show what Jane can do in the Kraken here. First run, and she is flying through everything. Look how fast this is. This is insane. But oh, she almost didn't make it there. She's having a hard time at the end. She goes on her side off, and hopefully she'll get to the finish line when she goes on her side here. Look at that. Oh, 5.53. That's a pretty good time. She likes to end up on her side for some reason there. When she comes down the last, look at that, on her side. But she makes it, so you know what? It works. Let's take a look at the stats here. She weighs 75 grams. Not her, the car, by the way. Her best time was 5.50, 29 gates, 2 wins, and a Mars ticket. Really good day for her. Let's take a look at Prince McQueen. He weighs 46 grams. His best time is 8.21, 24 gates. He won one of the races, but he didn't get a ticket to Mars. And that is it for today. Guys, all the cars are sent in by Gaslands TV fans. If you want to send in your car, you can. Just comment in the comments below or find us on our Facebook page, Gaslands TV. And if you like these videos, make sure to subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And if you're looking for stuff to play Gaslands, like templates, gates, dice, engine blocks with skulls on them, pipes, guns, rams, basically anything you want to modify your car to play the Gaslands game, you can check out our Etsy page. It supports the channel while you get some awesome cool bits. We also have some flamethrower stuff, as you saw in Ember Prime. And check out our Gaslands TV Facebook page, because we have a contest every month where you could win a container of guns. And make sure to check out my other videos on my channel. I do some modeling, I do some terrain, some special fades on cars, and all kinds of fun stuff. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time.